Rain Bathing and Accessibility proudly introduces the RS8 Geneva Tub. The RS8 is designed to safely and comfortably bathe highly dependent residents. This intentionally designed tub is compatible with a wide range of transport and lifting devices, such as our RL8 mobile bath lift. The contoured keyhole shape of the RS8 provides adequate upper body and shoulder space while giving the caregiver adjoining access to the patient during the bathing process. The height of the RS8 is easily operated at the touch of a button, enabling the caregiver to work in an ergonomically correct position. This provides relief from potential back strain while assisting the patient. The RS8 features a simple rubber pull-style drain plug. This tub is also adjustable to the resident's body length for maximum comfortability. The tub fill knob controls the flow of water coming into the tub. Turning the knob counterclockwise several revolutions will fully open the water valve, which will begin filling the tub. The RS8 Geneva Tub is efficiently designed to fill with water at a rate of 15 gallons per minute. The optional Air Spa System button has 3 settings with each press. Pressing the button once will turn on the Air Spa jets to full power. Pressing the button a second time will switch the Air Spa jets to low power. And pressing the button a third time will shut the Air Spa jets off completely. The Air Spa system will automatically turn on after the RR7 has been in operation for 10 minutes. This is a pre-programmed disinfectant cleaning feature that will last about a minute. Also located on the control panel is a shower control knob. Turning the knob counterclockwise will engage the shower wand that is located on the right side of the control panel. Turning this knob clockwise will turn the shower wand off. Another convenient feature on the RS8 is the temperature gauge. This gauge will allow the user to see the exact temperature of the water. The temperature of the water can be adjusted by the thermostatic mixing valve. This valve is equipped with a unique anti-scald technology that will heat the water only to a maximum of 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the knob to adjust the temperature accordingly. Additionally, some RS8 tubs come with the optional autofill button located above the control panel. This button will automatically dispense water to a predetermined fill level, not to exceed 24 gallons. There is also an off button that will stop the autofill process. The RS8 comes with a built-in disinfecting system located in lockable compartment door, located at the bottom rear of the tub. This compartment contains disinfectant solution. The solution is metered through built-in metering system. Also in the compartment is a disinfectant hose and 3-way operational switch for the hose. The disinfect setting on the switch will engage the disinfecting solution into the hose. Simply use the hose trigger to spray the solution inside the tub after use. The solution should set in the tub for approximately 10 minutes before rinsing. After 10 minutes, the tub is ready to be rinsed. Simply turn the switch in the disinfecting compartment to the rinse setting and use the hose to rinse the solution from the inside of the tub. When cleaning is completed, just turn the switch to the off setting, replace the disinfecting hose, and close the compartment.